I don't want to fail another video, so we're gonna go get a fish.
Yeah, we are.
What are we about to do?
Catch a fish.
Say it like you mean it. What are we about to do?
Catch a fish.
Because there's a blizzard, we decided not to ski, so we have less gear to carry.
Our path that we tracked over to the river is completely destroyed by all this snow.
The firewood is soaking wet. We're gonna use this dead tree that we found to just dry on the inside. What are we trying to get, Chandler?
Some dry tinder. Now that we got the dry wood, we're gonna try to shade it down so we can get stuff to start the fire. This is the only dry stuff we have.
There she is.
Oh man, here we go.
Oh, crap. I might be frozen.
So you need to start off by expanding the sides so the auger can actually go deep.